Welcome to our channel. Today, we dive deep into the world of KP astrology, a branch of Vedic astrology that provides highly accurate predictions. KP astrology stands for Krishnamurti Paddhati, named after its founder, the esteemed astrologer K.S. Krishnamurti. Unlike traditional Vedic astrology, KP astrology uses the Placidus system of house division, and it places great emphasis on the sublord theory. In this series, we will explore the significance of planets in KP astrology and how understanding them can help you in your astrological journey. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your knowledge, this series is for you. Let's get started. In KP astrology, the sun represents the soul, vitality, and one's core identity. It governs the sign of Leo and is associated with the fifth house, the house of creativity, children, and past life karma. The sun's placement in your horoscope highlights your ambitions, leadership qualities, and ego. When the sun is strong in your chart, it bestows confidence, authority, and a sense of purpose. However, if afflicted, it can lead to arrogance, health issues related to the heart, and challenges with authority figures. Understanding the sun's role in your horoscope can reveal your inner drive and the areas where you are most likely to shine. For beginners, observing the sun's position by sign, house, and aspect will give you insights into your life's purpose and how you present yourself to the world. The moon in KP astrology is the ruler of the mind, emotions, and subconscious. It governs the sign of Cancer and is connected to the fourth house, which represents home, mother, and emotional security. The moon's position in your chart reflects your emotional nature, intuition, and mental well-being. A strong moon indicates emotional stability, nurturing tendencies, and a deep connection to one's roots. On the other hand, an afflicted moon can result in mood swings, anxiety, and issues related to one's mother or home life. For beginners, paying attention to the moon's placement helps in understanding your emotional responses and mental health. It also shows where you seek comfort and how you nurture others. The moon's phases and its aspects with other planets can significantly influence your day-to-day moods and decisions. Mars is the planet of energy, drive, and action in KP astrology. It rules Aries and Scorpio and is linked to the first and eighth houses, governing physical vitality, courage, and transformations. Mars signifies how you assert yourself, your ambitions, and your ability to overcome obstacles. A well-placed Mars brings bravery, strong willpower, and the ability to take decisive action. However, an afflicted Mars can lead to aggression, impulsiveness, and conflicts, both internal and external. For beginners, analyzing Mars in your horoscope can reveal how you handle challenges and where your passions lie. It's important to observe the aspects Mars forms with other planets, as these can either amplify or temper its energy, impacting your overall life strategy and reactions. Mercury, in KP astrology, is the planet of communication, intellect, and reasoning. It governs Gemini and Virgo, as well as the third and sixth houses, associated with communication, siblings, daily work, and health. Mercury influences how you think, speak, and make decisions. A strong Mercury endows sharp intellect, excellent communication skills, and adaptability. An afflicted Mercury, however, can cause confusion, anxiety, and issues related to speech or nerves. For astrology students, understanding Mercury's role is crucial in assessing communication styles, learning abilities, and how you interact with your environment. Mercury's transit and its aspects can also indicate periods of mental clarity or confusion, making it an essential planet for daily predictions. Jupiter, known as the Guru in KP astrology, represents wisdom, spirituality, and expansion. It rules Sagittarius and Pisces, along with the 9th and 12th houses, which relate to higher knowledge, spirituality, and long-distance travel. Jupiter is often seen as the planet of luck and abundance. When Jupiter is well placed, it brings prosperity, growth, and ethical behavior. An afflicted Jupiter, however, may lead to overindulgence, false optimism, or moral dilemmas. For beginners, Jupiter's placement is key in understanding your beliefs, moral compass, and opportunities for growth. Whether it's in education, spirituality, or material wealth, Jupiter's influence can guide you towards expansive experiences and wisdom. Monitoring Jupiter's transits can reveal times of great fortune or lessons in humility. Venus in KP astrology symbolizes love, beauty, relationships, and material comforts. It rules Taurus and Libra, along with the 2nd and 7th houses, which are associated with wealth, family, and partnerships. Venus reflects what you value, how you attract others, and your sense of aesthetics. A strong Venus enhances your charm, brings harmonious relationships, and an appreciation for the finer things in life. If Venus is afflicted, it can cause relationship troubles, financial difficulties, or excessive indulgence in pleasures. Understanding Venus in your chart helps you explore your approach to love, relationships, and what brings you joy. For students of astrology, Venus is a key indicator of your personal tastes and how you balance the material and emotional aspects of life. Saturn in KP astrology is the planet of discipline, responsibility, and karmic lessons. It governs Capricorn and Aquarius, along with the 10th and 11th houses, which are linked to career, social status, and long-term goals. Saturn is often feared due to its association with delays, challenges, and limitations. A well-placed Saturn brings perseverance, maturity, and success earned through hard work. However, an afflicted Saturn can lead to hardships, delays in achieving goals, and feelings of restriction or isolation. For beginners, Saturn's position in your chart is crucial in understanding the areas of life where you may face challenges and where you need to develop patience and resilience. Saturn teaches that with time and effort, you can overcome obstacles and achieve lasting success. Rahu and Ketu, also known as the north and south nodes of the moon, are considered shadow planets in KP astrology. They don't have a physical presence but exert a powerful influence on the chart. Rahu represents desires, obsessions, and materialism, while Ketu signifies detachment, spirituality, and past life experiences. Rahu's placement can indicate areas where you are driven by unfulfilled desires, often leading to confusion or obsession. A strong Rahu may bring sudden success, but also the risk of downfall if desires are unchecked. Ketu, on the other hand, reflects where you have accumulated wisdom from past lives, often leading to detachment or a sense of disinterest in worldly matters. For astrology students, understanding Rahu and Ketu's placement is essential for analyzing karmic patterns and spiritual evolution. Their influence is often subtle yet profound, guiding your life's journey towards both material and spiritual fulfillment. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the planets in KP astrology. Each planet plays a unique role in shaping our lives, and understanding their significance can offer valuable insights into your own life path. Whether it's the sun's leadership, the moon's emotional depth, or Saturn's lessons of discipline, every planet has something to teach us. In our next video, we will delve deeper into how these planetary energies interact with each other through aspects and transits, and how you can use this knowledge to make informed decisions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into KP astrology. See you in the next video.